Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta Pasta Evangelist. Today I got a special guest, my sister Patai.
Hello, darling.
Hello, my
How
love.
are we?
We're gonna make a colorful pasta. We got all the color ready. Are you ready, darling?
Let's go, babe.
So, darling, let's start to make a pasta. I'm gonna give you some flour and eggs.
Oh my God, okay.
It's gonna be fine, darling. I will do exactly
I'm not good at
this.
pasta, babes.
No,
Are you
darling.
gonna teach me?
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
lovely.
So you're gonna get some flour. You're gonna do the traditional way, like we do in Italy, my love. So make a hole in the middle, please.
What with?
With your hand, love.
My hand, can I use this?
No, now, darling.
Do we need some more space, do you
I
think?
think so, my
Just a
love.
little bit. So
Let's
just
move a
move.
little bit.
Okay.
Now, as I say, I'm gonna
Yes.
give you a few eggs.
Oh my, in the hole?
Of course, darling. I
Babes,
want you to.
This is designer?
No, it's gonna
Okay.
be fine.
Oh,
So
gosh.
now I want you to make a hole in the middle to hold the two eggs. Go with your hand, darling.
Oh, it's very sexual,
It's very
babes.
therapeutic.
Is that what you do with your...
Yes,
Oh!
of course I do
regions?
as well.
Is this big enough?
No, darling, I need bigger.
How big?
Go, darling, look at mine.
So a bit more
Yes, don't
round,
be afraid.
Okay.
Yes, my
Okay,
love.
don't worry.
Now,
Okay.
with my love, with the back of your fork, you're just gonna place the first.
Oh no, it's splash, but right, okay.
It's gonna be sexy, the splash. Go for it.
Not on me, right, okay.
Go for it, yeah?
Ooh!
Fantastico!
Okay,
We put
here we
the
go.
other one as well. So we got 2 eggs.
Right, another one.
Yes, darling.
Oh no, here we go! Oh God! Oh, it's a big pool!
Fantastico.
Okay.
Now,
Right,
my
okay.
love, I'm gonna add the blue.
Okay.
I want you to slowly just start breaking the eggs. Mix the eggs together. Slowly, darling. You don't want the eggs on the floor. Go for it, my love.
What with no colour?
Go. No, you go normal dough. I want
normal,
you to
okay.
do just the yellow normal dough,
Okay.
and I'm gonna do the color.
Okay.
Look
right.
how nice is this
it's a
blue.
pond. Go,
Now, darling,
go.
I want you to add flour. Add the flour.
More
with your
flour?
hand. Yes, like this, darling.
Oh
Go for
no.
it.
Oh no! Right,
Yes,
okay.
slowly.
Oh, no. Send the dry cleaning bill to you. What in it?
Yes.
What am I doing? Like, what do you mean?
With your fork. You just
Oh, thank
and
God for
move.
that. Okay. Right, lovely. Let's do that. Oh God, this wig. Right. Oh, no, my natural hairstyle. I'm a
Exactly.
biological
Don't say
woman.
that. It's not a wig.
Oh,
It's
no.
our natural hair today.
It's born with big hair. Jeez.
You need some help.
Go on then.
So we're just gonna
help
push
me.
everything in the middle, my love.
Okay.
Okay? So we don't get the sticky dough. And then in a bit, I want you to
Would I use my hands?
get your hands into the dough.
Okay.
So, darling,
Yeah.
look, even mine
That's
is gonna
lovely.
get. Now, I want you to clean the fork and
With my
get.
hands?
Of course, darling, we're gonna wash the
God.
hands. Look at mine, they're blue. And, darling, you push all together. Yeah?
Right, okay.
Oh,
Go.
it's soft, yeah?
Mine looks rubbish.
No, it's gonna be nice. It's
Is
gonna
it?
be fine.
Oh my God. Right, okay. It's like scrambled egg, is that what it's
Yes,
like?
that's fantastic.
Oh
it's
my
gonna
God,
come out as a
it's
dough
the
in a
worst.
bit.
Okay, let's go.
So we make all the dough. The dough is ready. A sister was a little bit slow, so I had to figure out. We got all the color, love.
I think you're missing one, babe. A crucial colour. Oh, no, a jokies. Oh, no, it's fine. You carry on.
Well, the dough that we made today, so now it's everything ready. We can create our rainbow pasta. Are you
Oh.
excited?
Yes. Shall we go?
Yeah, of course. We are going to use as a base, we're going to use as a normal dough. And then I'm gonna show you, love. So I'm gonna basically let you use the pasta machine.
Oh my God.
Which we're gonna stretch the pasta.
Lovely.
And then I'm going to create so many beautiful color to do then the rainbow.
I can't wait.
Fantastico! Let's get ready, guys.
Do we cut it into shapes? Are we using this contract?
No, my love, that's why I set up the machine. It has to be done through the machine. So, let me show you. So, my love, that's the red one that we made before. Can you see here is the tagliatelle cutter. You can do also smaller, but I wanted to leave it just a little bit more color to the dough. So, I'm gonna cut it through the tagliatelle. Let me show you, my love. You simply have to feed, like we done last time, with different cutter.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, yummy.
And I'm going to show you, darling. So, my love, do you want to put a little bit of flour? Just a tiny little bit, yeah?
Right, okay. How much?
Just a tiny little bit?
Sparingly. Curtis.
Bravissimo.
Bravissimo. Is that enough?
Just a little bit more.
No, sorry.
I mean, I will do a little bit of flour, yeah?
Okay.
So, my love, we are going to finally make the rainbow pasta. Ooh. And now it's your turn. I'm going to give you the best job. Just follow me, darling. What I want you to do, darling, I want you to place each tagliatella on the normal dough, okay? Just to create the rainbow, darling, yeah?
Without the green?
Without the green. Now you go with purple. It's all yours, my love.
So, okay, take me through this again. So, stretch it.
Yeah. A little bit closer to the first color.
Okay. Oh, she's demanding.
Yes.
Bloody demanding. Right, okay.
So.
How, like an inch? Or 2?
In centimeter or millimeter?
Well, what do you think it is?
I don't know inch, but it's about a few millimeter space between one color to the other. Look, my love.
Okay.
Fantastico. So, darling, we have placed all the color. Gorgeous, yeah?
Absolutely stunning.
So what we have to do now,
Love.
just to make sure that we fix all the tagliatelle on the top, otherwise as soon as you're gonna go through the machine, they're gonna be all on a different position.
Okay, right.
We are going to use the rolling pin first, so gentle, you don't need to press too much, just to stick the tagliatelle to the pasta. Okay, darling? And now we're gonna roll it with the pasta machine. Go, my love.
Anti-clockwise, clockwise. Which one?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Fantastico. Slowly, darling.
Oh, sorry. Too fast.
Fantastico. Go for it, my love.
Go now.
Bellissima.
So, are you showing me some shapes now?
Of course.
Right.
So, I'm going to show you, first of all, I'm going to show you farfalle.
Lovely. What's that?
Farfalle. Say it again. Say
You do it.
Farfalle. Well,
And what does that mean?
means butterfly.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to use,
Butterflies.
today I'm going to use this amazing tool, which is going to give us such a nice and curly edge to the farfalle.
Beautiful.
Very easy to use. You need to simply cut it through. Okay? And you can see, my love, that we have, now we can make it smaller, so we can cut it in half. We have already large rectangular, I done 2. Let's do it a little bit more, just to make a few more farfalle. Never throw this away. This one, whenever you got left over, remember, you can simply shape and leave it like this. These are mal tagliati, full of color. Now, my love, I'm going to cut it in 2.
I'm in tune, yes.
Fantastic.
So these are butterflies, we're making butterflies.
These are the butterfly.
Okay. I'll say what you say again.
Farfalle.
I'll let you say that.
So, my love, you can do on your hand. You have to pinch here, another pinch on top, and then you
Together.
put it together.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
You can do on the table as well. Sometimes, because the dough gets a little bit too dry, I have placed a little bit of water here, just in the middle, so they stick perfectly. They won't open. Okay, my love? It's your turn.
Oh, let's go. Okay, so what do we do? So pinch here. Is that right? No. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, you carry on, and then I'm going to see. and then you pinch together.
Oh no, it looks deformed. Yummy.
Well, with this pasta, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna throw it away, and we carry on, my love. So we pinch here, another.
But is this not dry? Is this dry?
It's getting a little bit dry,
Okay.
but that's normal. That's why I have placed a little bit of water, and then I will stick together. I'm gonna show you another one.
Oh.
Sopressini. Sopressini, it's kind of like
What's that?
a fake filled pasta, and it looks really like, you know, tortellino, this nice filled.
Tortellino.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks similar, but it's not, it's completely empty. What we do, my love, the first things we wanted to pinch and leave it as a triangle, yeah? Can you see here is empty? And now, look, my love, I will put a little bit of water because it's getting dry, the dough. So I will just put a little bit of water. And look, darling, as a magic, you simply pinch the two edges, and look, darling. Looks like a belly button.
Oh, it's like a shell almost, isn't it?
Exactly.
Goes in two.
A little bit of water, my darling, there.
Okay.
Perfetto.
Yeah, and then we... Oh, I've forgotten! Which is it again?
So now,
Okay.
these two, once you got...
Is it complicated, the one, this?
No. So always make sure that there is the hole in the middle.
Oh, and these go in there? Okay.
And then you hold it at the edge of the pasta,
And then
push
twist it.
and
Okay.
twist it.
Okay. Oh. Oh, no, it's breaking.
No, go for it. Go.
Oh, okay.
Go. Bravissima,
Okay.
bravissima,
It
bravissima.
looks like something else. Anyway.
It looks like a belly button. Sister.
Yeah. Lovely. Okay. Okay.
Perfect, guys. We done it. I mean, you've been a bit slow, darling.
I'm sorry. I'm too apologise.
But we managed to create all the pasta. So now, love, let's eat it. You know how we say in Italian? Buon appetito. Go for it.
I don't dare. Shall I?
Yes. Yeah. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Oh, fantastico, guys.